All right, so I've already filled in the numbers that I want you guys to use. Let's see. There we go. So let's just read this. An instructor decided to cover only one chapter on the final exam. Student in his Math 120 class are trying to decide which chapter should be tested on the final. There are 4 chapters in this class: probability, finance, sets, and logic. And students rank their preferences 1 through 4. So right here, you're supposed to enter your preference. Each of you are supposed to write what you would prefer, your number 1, and then you're basically rank these 4 topics from first to fourth, but we're just going to skip that because we don't have that many students. We only have 7 students, so it's not going to be interesting. So I just made up the numbers. I'm saying that 43 students wanted probability first, finance second, sets third, logic fourth, and then 30 students wanted disorder, 29 wanted disorder, so on and so on. So now we're going to do the voting methods to see which one. So there's a bunch of questions here. The first one is how many students voted, and then we want to determine the winner by using plurality, and then plurality with the elimination, and then the board account method. And then they tell you how many points. So first place gets 4 points, third place gets 2 points, etc. All right, and then the final question, or the final thing that you need to do, is find who wins using the pairwise comparison method. So those are the 4 methods we learned last class. So yeah, that's basically all we're doing today. It's just for you to practice those methods. So let me eliminate this column out. All right, so I'm just gonna get you all in groups, and you guys work on this in groups. Let's see. Oh, how many students voted, first of all?
142.
142.
You added all these numbers?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Okay, so 142. Okay. Determine the winner using plurality. How did we do that again?
So using the plurality method, you basically add up all the first place votes, and that's just it.
And that's
So according to this, P wins because
P
he
won.
has 43.
That's right. Okay, so P had 43 first place. F had
30.
30.
S had 29.
L had
40.
40 because you add these two, right?
Yep.
All
Yeah.
right. Clearly, as you can see, the winner is probability. All right. Probability is the winner. Okay. With the elimination, do we even need this one?
With elimination, it was L.
Yeah, it was
Oh.
L1.
L1.
Okay, because so which one would we eliminate?
So we added up, we eliminated S
S.
first, and then we bumped all the letters up appropriately.
Mm-hmm.
And then by the time we got to just the first and the second place person, it was L was the winner because L had the 30, the 29, the 26, and the 14 by the time we were done.
Oh, okay. Because I'm wondering, are you even supposed to eliminate if there's a winner the first round? I'm not sure. I forget. Let me check the notes.
Well, the book had us eliminated. Well, the book showed only like a 3-person example.
Mm-hmm.
So they only eliminated like 1 row and got a first and second place. So we just eliminated until we got a first and second place.
Oh, okay.
I have a question. If there is a tie, do you keep going if there's a tie?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. If there's a tie, that's when you eliminate, I thought, and then you keep going. But if there's no tie, then I think you just, whoever's the plurality winner is a winner. See, check for winner by plurality. If none, then you find the candidate with the least votes, and you eliminate the candidate with. So basically, you only eliminate them if there's no winner. But yeah, I think that's the way it's supposed to be. You only eliminate if there's not a winner by plurality. So in this case, I don't think you had to do all that. You're just supposed to go with, since there's no tie, you can just go with the same one.
Okay, so it'll be P. So let me write that down.
It'll be P.
P.
So it's only if there's a tie.
Yes, since
Only
there is no.
And no clear winner. No clear winner. Got it.
Yeah. Okay, but that's good that you guys did the work, just so that you guys got practice anyways.
I was
So
gonna
if
say it's
there's a
actually kind of fun to do it though.
Yeah, so if there's a tie, then you eliminate. So if there is no tie, then you select the plurality, the 142,
Yeah, the plurality winner, which would have been the same one as
43.
the P, yeah. So,
Got it.
yeah. All right, so
Okay.
let's see the board account, that one. So who was the winner for that one?
S.
S was a winner. All right,
Mhm.
let's just do the S really quickly. So the S would have been 4 points for first place, 3 points for second place, 2 points for third place, and then 1 point for fourth place. How many? So this is S. I'm just gonna do the S since it'll take too long to do all of them. How many first place votes did S get?
43.
43.
I mean 29. Sorry.
Yeah,
No,
29.
29.
Yeah, 29.
Looking at the
Okay.
wrong thing.
Okay.
29.
Second place votes for S.
40.
40. 26 was 14. Okay, 40. Second place, no, third place votes.
Third place votes.
It looks like
Mm-hmm.
73, I think.
73.
Yes.
73. And then finally, fourth place votes for S would have been
None.
0. Yeah, 0. Okay. So if you multiply, 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 and then add, what did you guys get for that? I can do that real fast too. So 4 times 29 plus 340 plus 2 times 73 is equal to 382.
Yeah.
Okay, 382, and that was the highest score, right? So
Yeah. Everybody else was under that. Just barely. Some of them was just barely under it, but the rest of them was under that.
Yeah.
okay, perfect. And then this one, I think this one's the one that probably takes the longest, isn't it?
Yeah, but I still
Yeah.
have the one up though.
Oh, perfect. Can you share that one then?
Yeah.
All right, let me stop sharing. That way you can share.
Yeah, I still have that one up. That's the only one I didn't delete. That was a lot. So, boom. So according to this is what we came up with. We did all of the pairing and then
Mhm.
we added the numbers across down here. This is the last one that we did. But for the first round, F1, the second round, S1, the third round, L1, the
Mhm.
fourth round, F1, the fifth round, F1, and the sixth round, S1. So F ended up with 3, S ended up with 2, L ended up with 1, and P ended up with 0. But then we did the little math method. I don't know if we were supposed to do this or
Are you
not.
supposed to do that first or last, the formula?
The formula tells you how many different combinations or how many different pairs is going to be, right?
Pairs is going to
Yeah,
be.
so
Oh,
it ended up
okay.
being 6. So we was right.
6.
So
All
yeah.
right.
6. Yeah, you could do that before and after, or just
Okay.
Yeah, we
I
did
would-
it after.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can do it before or after just to like make sure that you have the right number of pairs. But yeah, looks great.
Okay.
So yeah, this is our
So-
little table.
It looks like wait, who won that one? F, right? So
F. Yeah.
that's funny because there's four different winners for each method almost. So plurality
Yeah.
and plurality with elimination both had P as a winner. Board account had S as a winner, and then
Yes, that's the winner.
pairwise had F as a winner.
So
this-
it's interesting just to kind of maybe see like how